Hey FFL families! In this video, I'm going to give you a brief tutorial on how to use Storybook.com. So as kids are transitioning from the classroom to distance learning, you can help improve your and your child's digital literacy by incorporating some fun online activities that you can do together with your family. Also, you will gain a better understanding of the use of technology, its benefits, how to access online resources, and find the balance between using technology and traditional resources. So mystorybook.com is a fun and interactive site where you can start introducing digital literacy and storytelling to your children. You can use the site to create your own storybook, then publish it and share a link with your child's teacher, your friends, and family. You can create as many stories as you'd like. At the top of the page, you will see a library tab. Go ahead and click there to see some examples of other storybooks. Once you're done browsing, you can click My Storybook here at the top left, and then get started on creating your own storybook. So let's go ahead and do that. Go ahead and click on Create a Storybook, and then it'll bring you to your template page. So this month, I'd like for you to create a special book for FFL telling me all about you and your family. Your child can take the lead on the story and make the book about themselves and then introduce their family members. This is your chance to tell me all about yourselves and your favorite things. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is scroll up here to the top right, click this Save button. It's going to ask for your age, and then you can create your username, your email, and then put in your password or create a password, and then click Agree, and then click Sign Up. Okay, once you've done that, it's going to auto-save all of your work for you. So what we want to do first is change the title of our story. So go ahead and click right over here where it says My First Storybook. It'll open up the text box. Click it again, and then you can highlight the text and change your title. So, okay. I'm going to call it All About Me and My Family. Then you can change the style of the font. So you'll click there, pick the font that you like, and you can also change the alignment. So I'm going to center it. You can change the text color here, and also change the text background. So I'm going to keep mine white, change my text back to black, and then you can click on your text box again and then drag it anywhere you'd like on the page. Next, you can change your page background. So on the left hand side, you have your tools here. You'll see the button called Scene, click that. Then you'll have the option to put images in. You'll have the option to change your background to an image, or you can change it to a color. So I'm going to use an image. If you click here on all images, it'll bring up all of your options. Then you're going to want to add a author. So go ahead and click text. You can type your text here. And then click Add to Story. You can click on your text box and then drag it where you'd like. Alright, so go ahead and click this right arrow, and that will bring you to your blank page. On the right side here, you can see your pages. You can also add more pages to your book by clicking this Add Page button. And there you see I've added some more pages there. Okay, so I want to be on this second page. So I'm going to go ahead and change my background color. So I'm going to click on Scene, click Color. I'm going to pick this purple color. Alright, so then if I want to add an image to this page, I'm going to click on Items. So from there you can either pick a character, you can add other images, but I want to add my own image. So I'm going to click Add Your Image here, and it'll bring up all of your pictures. You can click on the picture you'd like. So I'm going to open that. And then all of your pictures will pop up here. So I'm going to click on my picture. Then you click on it, you can drag it around, you can resize it by grabbing the corner, and then place it where you'd like. So I'm also going to add my text. And then add that to your story. Again, you can change your font if you'd like. You can change the size, the alignment, and text color here on the side if you want to. Once you've done that, then you can add it to your story. So once you've added it to your story, a box will pop up, and then you can change your text here as well. So I'm going to go ahead and change the color back to white. And then if you want to add items to your page, you can click on all items and they'll all pop up here, and you can find items that you like that you feel represent you. So I liked this sea turtle. Sea turtles are one of my favorite animals, so I'm going to put that on my page here. Another option that you have is to draw on your page. So you can click here where it says draw and pick your drawing tool. You can use shapes. It has a square and a circle. So I'm going to start with the square. I'm going to make some grass. So and then click Start Drawing. And there's my grass. And this box will pop up with your drawing tools so you can continue using them here. So I want to change my tool to a circle. Color yellow. I'm gonna make a sun. Back to let's try the small brush. Use blue. And draw a nice little cloud there. Alright, so that's another option you have to draw on your page. Once you're all done with your book, you're going to want to click Finish and Finish Story. It'll ask if you want to keep your book private or if you want to publish it. If you keep it private, then you just pop back on the website and you can make changes to your book. You can look at your book whenever you'd like, or you can go ahead and publish it and it'll create a link for you. So go ahead and click Publish. So if you've just created your account, it's going to ask that you confirm your email address before you publish your story. Go ahead and open up your email account, click on the email, and then click Confirm your email address. It'll bring you right back to this page. Once you've done that, you can click on your link here. It'll highlight it, right click, copy that link, and then hit Next. It'll ask you if you want to print your book. It costs $5 to do that, so don't click that button, just skip that for now. That's completely optional. So just go ahead and skip it. Okay, so then now you have the capability to publish, share, or print your story. Your book is all finished. So don't click Print Your Story, because if you click that, it will want to charge you $5, which you'll have to put in your credit card and all that. So don't do that. You want the free version, so you just want to share it. So by sharing it, again, it'll bring up the link. Just click on it, right click, copy, and then open up your email account. You can send an email to anybody you'd like, and then right click in the text box and hit paste, and that link will be pasted into your email, and then you can send your book from there. I've also included in your package this month the option to make a paper book as well. This will help your child to continue to practice their writing. If you choose this option rather than the online book, I'd like for you to write about you and your family, telling me all about yourselves and your favorite things. Alright you guys, so I really hope you enjoy this project. If you have any questions, please contact me. I will be happy to assist you. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.